Oh yeah. Hi, it's my bike check. Sounds so fucking gay. What frame's this? Cult OS V3 frame. Some Odyssey parts, Odyssey forks. Got a thing, Stranger bars. Some Thunderbolt cranks with a Twisted PC limited edition pedals. I think they're limited edition. Might be talking shit. Premium sprocket, cause aye. Got like fucking Shadow Conspiracy seat, nice Savage Components seat post, like, you know, nice blank headset up here. Got that with the Sunday stem, Vans waffle grips, of course, nice purple Odyssey par ends. For the front wheel, it's like some premium hub laced to an Amity rim. I don't know, my back wheel or something. Back wheel, got the BSD West Coaster laced to the BSD NASA rim. Very nice, nice and smooth. Fucking first coaster I've had, it's alright. Got the nice hub guards, don't have to stretch your frame. Pegs, don't know, just plastic ones, eh? The BSD Donna squeaks, squeak all the time. That's it, really, I think. That was my bike check. Thank you. That's so fucking gay. I could just sit here all day